Okay, on our first video we did when we were pulling seaweed out of the pond, we'd just gotten started and it rained out. We got flooded out. It rained so hard we couldn't see what we were doing. So we're back at it now. It's actually a couple months later. This is Labor Day weekend. So now we're going to get into some heavier seaweed so you can see a little bit more what that seaweed tool does. So we'll get started here in a few minutes. Okay, once I get paddling, you might have to steer me or tell me which way to go. Okay, yeah, that'll help. Okay, we've got to work around these tree stumps being as we don't have a straight shot. It's kind of a pain, but it does work. That thing's probably going to come flying right out of there. Don't want to be standing behind that rope. Okay, we've been out here about 5-6 hours. You can see the piles out there. We got a lot of piles of seaweed. It worked pretty good. That's all we're gonna do today. So made a pretty big dent in it. So, and the seaweed's going dormant now anyway. We're getting into fall, so it's not gonna be growing, but we'll get back on it next spring and clean up a little more. Thanks for watching.